All right, we got all our windows loaded up, ready to go to Bozeman, Montana. Everything's strapped in. Big frames on the walls strapped. 2 straps holding that one. And we can get back to take a look at this one here. 1 strap on that one. Everything is ready to go. Let's get to Montana. Seal number verified and attached. Padlock on. We're ready to go. Okay, we made it out of Tucson and over here about an hour down the road to Eloy, Arizona. We're going to be stopping here in TA. Still got over half a tank of fuel, but going to go ahead and fill up. Grab me a shower credit so I can take a shower here and call it a day out here. It's still plenty of time to drive, but I've only got just under 20 hours left to run for the weekend, for Saturday and Sunday, and you got to be a fool to drive into Phoenix during rush hour unless you just have to. So I'll stay here and get up fairly early in the morning and take off. We'll catch back up with you here in a little bit.